Hey Liana.
Hi.
Hi again. So we got a meal for total of $45.92. She ordered double jack and I ordered
Small curly fries.
small
And 6 sauces.
6 sauces.
Wow.
And I got what is my sandwich? Buttery Smashed Jack combo. Let me show you my sandwich. Buttery Jack is so yummy. Oh my god, look. And there is a bacon. Oh my god. Double patty. Ooh, that's so. Mmm. The meat is so delicious. You wanna try it? Without sauce.
Oh shoot.
You like it? You got a double jack.
I always love double jack. But you have to put a little bit more sauce here all the time.
I'm gonna put some.
Oh yeah.
That's
Don't use all.
spicy. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. How about if I put some onion rings in my sandwich?
No way you're doing that.
Look. Can you pull it? Oh my god.
You got onions.
That's onion. That's good.
He let me have the inside.
Without sauce. Let's try the onion ring. Actually, let me try it without sauce. Very good, delicious. Oh my god. Which sauce should I try? She put like 6 sauce. This is chipotle sauce.
This?
No. Yeah. So yummy.
What's this? Blech. I don't like the sweet and sour sauce, wait.
Is it sweet?
Yeah. It's sweet.
Look at the sun.
Ah.
Let me try my Buttery Jack Smash Jack combo.
Hi.
My god. I ordered Fanta. What did you order? Fanta? Oh my god. Best meal ever.
Barbecue sauce. Yeah, it's barbecue sauce.
Barbecue?
Yep. Oh shoot. Look.
Oh my god. Should I put some ketchup? Look at that. 1, 2, 3.
He takes the biggest bites. And also, I think I'm gonna try guessing the sauce. Barbecue sauce, sweet and sour sauce, chipotle sauce, buttermilk ranch,
Can you eat your sandwich, please?
yeah.
You have to put the wrap around it. Let me put.
That's how you do it.
Don't put it down there.
Why?
Because when you pick it up, you cannot put it down. You have to hold it. You can eat sometime with one hand like this. You want to put sauce? This is hot sauce. Hot sauce.
Don't.
Don't put it on you. Yeah. You want me to put ketchup on it?
I think yours too.
ketchup, onion ring. Mmm.
I think this is the first time ever having onion rings.
Yeah.
I've never had onion rings.
What do you think?
But onion rings, they're good. Baba. You told the person working over there, do you have what? And then they said that they don't have it anymore. What do they not have anymore? You asked for something and they said they didn't have
Oh,
it.
chili cheese fry.
What is that?
So there is a French fry. They put cheese and chili top. It's so yummy. It's my favorite.
Why are you taking mine?
Sorry.
Oh.
You think that was yours or that was mine? That was small. We are fighting over French fry.
Yeah.
Can you eat your sandwich, Jen?
Did you finish your burger?
No, sandwich finished. I don't have any sandwich anymore. But I'm still eating fry. There is one onion ring left. I'm gonna cut it in half. Which side do you want, Liana? I'm gonna pull it. Which side?
This side.
Okay, pull it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's already cut.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Thank you. Mm. Mm. That was good.
So